you at, YouTube? It's time to jump rope, jump nation. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the beginner, intermediate, and advanced freestyle routines that you could be doing in the backwards freestyle section of the AMJRF Open Home Series. I'm going to get right into it. Here we go. For this freestyle event, we are going to be doing all backwards tricks. This is something that is totally different in the jump rope world because most jumpers don't do routines with all backwards tricks. So I'm going to be giving the breakdown of a beginner, intermediate, and advanced freestyle routine. First thing, your routine must always start with the pose. Everybody's routine has a unique pose in the beginning. The funnier your pose in the beginning, the more presentation points you will get. Every freestyle routine should have 4 key elements: crosses, power, manipulation, and multiples. Crosses involve anything where your arms are crossing, whether that is over your stomach, behind your back, under your leg, behind your knees, or even one arm behind your knees and one arm behind your back. All of these things are crosses. Now let's get into power. Power tricks involve push-ups and frogs, anything where you have to hold your body up or strengthen your muscles to do a trick. Multiples are done when the rope is going under your feet more than once before you land. For my beginners who are just starting out, footwork is a great way to start your routine because everyone likes a good shuffle. Now for this beginner backwards routine, I'm going to show you 10 seconds of a beginner routine that I think you should do. It's going to be more of a shell. You can do the routine however you want to do it, but I'm just going to give you 10 seconds of what it will look like. Here we go. So for my backwards routine, I actually did not do an ending pose because I went over the time. I tried to fit it in within 10 seconds, but I did not realize that I was doing my routine for more than 10 seconds. For an intermediate freestyle routine, all of the key elements will be done, but they will be done on a harder level. The flow of the routine will look much better. That is when you'll know you're on an intermediate level. Now, I'm going to do a 10-second example of an intermediate backwards routine. For my intermediate routine, I started off with backwards multiples, and as you can see, my flow is much better for my beginner routine. You can see my push-up being done with a pull, and my footwork much faster. This is what an intermediate routine should look like. Here we go for our backwards advanced routine. All the tricks are going to be higher level beginner and intermediate jump rope tricks. All of these tricks cannot be done unless you know how to do the intermediate and beginner level of the trick. Now that I've shown you the beginner and intermediate backwards freestyle routines, I'm going to show you the advanced. In the advanced routines, all of the tricks are going to be from the beginner and intermediate level routine tricks. Here we go. Remember, your routine is going to be unique. It's not going to look like mine's. I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace.